Guys, look, I know HTC is struggling, but it's fine. They got a sale on in the description. We'll just buy some of their cheap phones and put a sticker on it. Hi, I'm Sam Tucker from HTC, and today we're so excited to introduce our all-new HTC U2. Sorry, the U12 Plus. Apologies for that. I thought the name would be more exciting than the alphabet. The first thing you'll notice about the new U is that it's all a lie, because all of the buttons you'll see aren't actually buttons. Sort of like all the smiles you see on our factory workers. So what these things actually are just little pressure sensors that detect when you press on them and then just vt accordingly. It's a very technical solution to a problem that didn't exist. Sort of like LinkedIn. So if you actually want to push these in, good luck to you. They're the hardest button to button since this top one here. Sweeties! Now I know exactly what you're saying. Will these bollocks buttons drain my battery? Well, no. Luckily, they don't actually use much power. In fact, somebody said that the sleep-wake button will still work even if the battery is flat, which is really impressive because no sleep-wake button works when the battery's flat. But we didn't stop there. Like most of the internet these days, we're sensitive all over, including our sides, where you can now trigger apps and actions with a short squeeze, long squeeze, or a squeeze and hold. And unlike your kids, you won't go to prison this time, unless you set it to call for help. Anyway, all of these features are there to discourage you from holding onto your phone too adequately, for fear that you might activate a feature. But don't hold it too gingerly either, because double tapping it with your thumb will make the screen shrink, smaller than your will to live. To help you get by, we recommend using tongs at all times. One benefit to all this, the only benefit to all this, is that the phone can detect when you're holding it thusly, and so it won't auto-rotate when you're lying down in bed, which is absolutely great until you take a video. Speaking of cameras, the U12 Plus has the highest rated dual camera setup in the industry, with a caveat in Roman numerals, so hopefully you won't look it up. I before V except after C. I don't know, it probably says that there's actually 4 cameras, which means you can finally take selfie portraits. Now with dog emoji, yay. The HTC U12 Plus, now available in flame red, translucent blue, and ceramic black, which is actually made out of glass. We call it false advertising. Just like our buttons. Subscribe today. Funk it down. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and big special thanks to GearBest for sponsoring this video. Guys, they have a massive mid-year sale on right now. I mean, they already have great prices on a huge range of tech, and now it's gonna be even better. It's for a very limited time. Check out the first link in the description and get yourself something nice.